Good day to you. And this is Francis from CC Vlogs and Reviews. So today, mga friends, we're going to do another perfume review. Okay? And this is another Middle Eastern perfume na nabili natin, I think, a week ago. Alright? And I was kind of surprised at hindi ko inaasahan na magugustuhan ko tong perfume na to. Alright? So, let's go ahead and talk about or start our review. Okay? Ang perfume na pinag-usapan natin today ay ang Rayhan Aquatica. Alright. So, as you can see, meron siyang silver box. Tapos, meron siyang Tiffany blue na box sa loob. Okay? So, parang double packaging. May external packaging siya na silver. Tapos may mga design siya na parang cross or parang star. Alright? Very cute. Very nice. And then the box itself, meron siyang Tiffany blue na color. Alright? And in front it says Rayhan Aquatica. And on top, may sasabi Rayhan. And then on the top sleeve or cover, meron din siyang Rayhan na nakalagay doon. Okay? And then, sa bottom naman niya, meron siyang mga details kung saan siya gawa, and ano yung batch code, and manufacturing date. Okay? So, nabili mo natin yung box. Ipakita ko na sa inyo ngayon yung actual bote ng perfume. Okay. So, ayan. Kita nyo ba? Okay. It's very nice. Shiny. Silver. Alright. Sa harapan, sasabi niyo lang niya is Rayhan. And then on top, meron din siyang branding na Rayhan doon sa tuktok. Ganun pa rin yung kanyang design. Parang yung box na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ganun. And sa loob, kikita nyo, parang nakalagay yung bote doon sa loob na plastic. Ganun design. Very cute. Very classy. And very much it looks like it's expensive. Okay. So, unang tingin. And in terms of the bottle itself, ayan, clear siya. Medyo blue sa loob. And the liquid itself or the perfume is light blue in color. Okay. So, yung atomizer niya, silver din. Okay. And the sprayer is white. Okay. So, let's spray. 1, 2. Maganda yung buga ng sprayer. Tama lang. Maliit lang yung area ng kanyang pagbuga. Pero tama naman yung volume na lumalabas sa kanya. So, just a couple of sprays, you should be able to get the amount that you need already. Okay. So, yan. Ang bango. Oh, grabe. To be honest with you, at first, I was a little hesitant because ang nakalagay na notes ng perfume na to is coconut. And may citrus, I think it's lime, and then meron siyang rum na scent. So, parang milky rin siya actually. Naamoy mo yung kanyang pagka-citrus mo na sa opening. Very nice. And then, maamoy mo din yung kanyang pagka-milky. Parang alak na piña colada. And you would be taken into that kind of place na ma-imagine mo before. Like, nagpunta ka ng beach. Nasa isang bar ka sa beach, tapos uminom ka ng piña colada. Ganon yung exact emotions na nararamdaman ko every time I put this on. Okay? It has that kind of emotion. I mean, nalalabas niya yung emotion na parang na-imagine mo yung dating panahon na nasa beach ka. And nagre-relax ka, maaraw sa labas, and nainom ka nga ng piña colada. Okay. So, ayan. In terms of the dry down, dun lumalabas yung pagka-sweet niya. Alright. And ano pa rin yung konting citrus niya. Nababawasan yung pagka-citrus niya sa pag-dry down niya. And in terms of the performance, I think hindi siya ganun katagal. Maximum siguro 5 hours na tumatagal siya sa skin. And sa clothes naman, 6 hours. I think I still have to rest this perfume and see kung gaano siya magtatagal pa. Or kung mag-improve pa yung kanyang performance in terms of longevity. Okay. In terms of projection naman, I would say that probably around 3 feet lang yung distance ng projection niya. It still have to rest this bottle for a couple of weeks before I get to give my full review for this Rehan perfume. Magkano nga ba siya? Bili ko siya 1899 again from my favorite shop in Facebook from Debbie, and kakarating lang niya a week ago, so I think kailangan ko pa talaga siyang i-rest. But as you can see, I've been using it a lot in that week, so I had to actually respray siguro sa hapon or sa patapos na ng office work, and gusto ko siyang maamoy ulit, so very nice. I also use this while sleeping kasi yun nga, napaka-enjoyable ng kanyang scent. In terms of if I would recommend this for blind buys, yeah, pwede siguro. And for our particular area or sa region natin, Philippines na medyo warm, yeah, very applicable, very nice. You could wear it outdoors and as well as indoors and during the daytime. Not so much siguro sa gabi kasi nga you'd be sensing or having that feeling na nasa beach ka or nagre-relax ka outdoors. So, ayun lang. Alright, so what can I say? In summary, I really like it. Nagulat ako dun sa scent profile niya kasi nga it's the first time that I'm able to smell yung coconut and as well as yung citrus, kasi nga di ko ma-imagine na magkasama sila together. Hindi ko naisip naman na parang palang piña colada, which I was able to drink before. So ayun nga, nakaka-surprise, nakakagulat na pwede pala yun pagsamahin together, and it's really 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 good for me. Okay, so that's it. Probably I'll be giving another review of this pagka medyo na-rest na siya, and I'll let you know if ever mag-improve my performance. Okay? So, if you have any questions, anything that you'd like for me to review or purchase, para mabigyan kayo ng idea on how the perfume smells, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to respond to your comments. Okay? Thank you so much for viewing this video today, and again, my name is Francis and thank you for watching.